According to China EV Post, Tesla sold 72,200 vehicles in China in September, setting a new high for the year. This marks a 65.95% increase compared to the same month last year. Tesla's third-quarter sales in China reached 181,883 units, contributing nearly 40% of its global deliveries. In total, Tesla sold 88,321 vehicles in September, including 16,121 for export. The Shanghai factory, which produces both the Model 3 and Model Y, remains a key production hub. Model Y sales in September were 51,152 units, while Model 3 sales reached 37,169 units, showing a significant 78% increase year-on-year. Tesla's share of China's new energy vehicle market rose to 6.43%, up from 5.83% last year. In the battery EV market, Tesla's share increased to 11.21%. You are listening to Yuan News.